Latest social media updates. Google will enable web admins to block systems from scraping sites for AI training. X, Twitter, has paid almost $20 million to creators, CEO says. Microsoft ends free upgrade from Windows 7 to 11. Meta unveils Llama 2 Long AI, outperforming GPT 3.5 Turbo and Claude 2. Microsoft announces a new Azure SQL database free offer in public preview. Spotify rolls out transcription for podcasts, allowing users to read while they listen. Google Play Store July 22, 37 APK now rolling out to Android devices. WhatsApp is working on quick reply bar for faster replies to images, videos, GIFs. Microsoft to form nuclear power team to support AI, report. Google expands generative AI search tools to younger users. Google is sunsetting its collaborative Jamboard app. Reddit removes the option to opt out of ad personalization based on in-app activity. YouTube launches new subscriber analytics to assist in content planning. SAP and Microsoft to expand S/4HANA on Azure investment, Teams integration. Disney Plus starts password-sharing crackdown. For more digital trends, visit karanbalidi.com.